In this guide, we're going over how you can fix the servers not available error here in Marathon. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to check the official Marathon server status just to see if there's any maintenance or an outage happening. Launch day and, of course, update days often bring huge player numbers, which can temporarily overload the servers. So what I'd recommend doing is just Google and searching Marathon server status just to see if there's maintenance or an outage happening. You can also check the official help page to see if there's anything down there as well. But if the servers do appear to be running, the next step is going to be restarting the game completely. If you're on PC or console, also try rebooting your PC or console or even your internet router and do a power cycle to clear any possible network issues. If you're playing on PC as well, sometimes antivirus software can also block connections. So try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall and then launch the game again. Another super helpful step is to verify your game files through your platform such as Steam to just make sure nothing is corrupted. And you could also try switching server regions if the game allows it, since some regions may be overloaded compared to others during launch or updates. Sometimes a simple solution though is to wait a few minutes and try again, just because the servers may just be stabilizing after the huge rush. But after trying these steps, you should hopefully be able to connect and start playing normally. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.